Hey there, Halloween ladies, looking to slay the costume game on a budget? You've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 best selling Halloween costumes for female under $30. Whether you're aiming for spooky, cute, or downright iconic, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to discover affordable and fabulous costume options that won't break the bank. Let's jump right in. First one is the feather shawl for women is a striking accessory designed to enhance your Gothic, Maleficent or witch Halloween costume. This shawl features a dramatic neck collar adorned with black feathers that evoke a crow's dark elegance. It adds a touch of mystic and sophistication to your outfit, making it perfect for themed parties or cosplay events. With its unique design and high quality materials, this feather shawl is the ideal accessory to complete your Maleficent or witch inspired look, ensuring you stand out in style this Halloween. Next we have these animal onesies. Adult pajamas are the perfect Halloween cosplay costume for both women and men. Made with comfort and fun in mind, these unisex onesies features a variety of adorable animal designs that will instantly transform you into your favorite creature. Whether you want to be a playful panda, a tiger, or a cuddly unicorn, these onesies offer a cozy and whimsical way to celebrate Halloween or enjoy a relaxing night in. Next we have beautiful but deadly. Embrace your inner lethal beauty with this captivating costume ensemble. This outfit includes a striking halter dress adorned with an adjustable skirt, a mysterious mask, and a detachable train with a waist tie for a touch of allure. Next we have the 3 pieces Halloween Ladybug costume set is the perfect ensemble for women and girls looking to embrace the playful spirit of Halloween. This delightful set includes everything you need to transform into a charming ladybug. First, don the adorable ladybug antenna headband to complete your insect inspired look. Next, slip into the ladybug costume polka cape featuring classic red and black polka dots and experience the joy of fluttering around like a ladybug. To add a touch of whimsy, the set also includes striped over the knee stockings. Whether you're attending a cosplay event or a Halloween party, this costume set promises a fun and stylish experience that's sure to turn heads and create memorable moments. Next we have plus size 3/4 sleeve shirts. Tunic tops are a fashionable and comfortable choice for women seeking versatile and flattering clothing options. These tops are designed with a loose and relaxed fit, making them perfect for all body types. They provide extra coverage and are incredibly versatile, making them suitable for various occasions. Whether you're dressing up for a special event or keeping it casual, these tops offer a stylish solution for any wardrobe. Next we have the women's Halloween costume skeleton dress is a stylish and spooky choice for the holiday season. This dress features a sleek, form-fitting design with long sleeves and a short mini length, making it perfect for those looking to showcase their Halloween spirit with a touch of elegance. Crafted from stretchy and comfortable material, it allows for ease of movement while maintaining a flattering silhouette. The dress is adorned with a striking skeleton print that adds a fun and twist to your Halloween festivities, making it an ideal option for costume parties, haunted houses, or any Halloween event where you want to stand out in style. Next we have the woman's skeleton Halloween costume. Skeleton cape poncho is the perfect choice for a spooky and stylish Halloween look. This costume includes a dramatic cape poncho adorned with a skeleton print, adding an airy and enchanting touch to your ensemble. To complete the mysterious vibe, it also comes with a matching masquerade and mask that adds an air to intrigue to your Halloween attire. Next we have the Velma costume for adult women. Is a fantastic choice for Halloween or cosplay enthusiasts looking to channel their inner mystery solving sleuth. Inspired by the classic movie character from the beloved animated series Scooby-Doo, this costume captures Velma's iconic look with a short orange turtleneck sweater, red plated skirt, knee-high orange socks and black Mary Jane shoes. It also includes Velma's signature square glasses and a brown bob wig to complete the transformation. Whether you're solving mysterious or just enjoying a fun Halloween party, this costume is sure to bring nostalgia and a touch of intelligence to your evening. Next, get ready to haunt the night with these Halloween costumes for men and women. These spine-chilling ensembles come complete with a terrifyingly awesome light-up mask that will send shivers down spines. Whether you choose to become a blood-sucking vampire or a wicked witch, each costume includes a flowing cloak with a hood that adds an extra touch of mystery and menace to your look. Last but not the least, the woman's deluxe hooded robe costume is an elegant and versatile costume option for various occasions. This full-length robe features a comfortable hood and comes in various colors and designs, making it suitable for Halloween parties, costume events, or even as a luxurious loungewear piece. Now let's move for the bonus tip. To further customize and enhance your budget-friendly Halloween costume, consider adding some accessories. You can craft unique props, jewelry or makeup effects to add a personal touch to your outfit. Not only does this save money, but it also allows you to stand out with a one-of-a-kind look. So get creative and let your imagination run wild to take your costume to the next level without breaking the bank. So, thanks for joining us today as we unveiled the top 10 Halloween costumes for females under $30. We hope you found the perfect costume for your spooky season celebrations. If you enjoyed this video and want more costume ideas, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fantastic Halloween content. And remember, the links to all the costumes mentioned in this video are in the description below, making your shopping experience a breeze. If you already decided on your Halloween look, let us know in the comments which costume you will be rocking this year. Stay stylish and spectacular on a budget this Halloween, and we'll see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe, have fun and happy Halloween.